How to verify Coinbase account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see here, we're first going to create our account because it will immediately lead us to the verification of our Coinbase account. So I created a new account here. I linked it with a new email. So now we're going to simply enter our first name information over here. And after that, you're just simply going to click on continue. Now, the process is very straightforward. So it's basically going to ask you for your phone number, then it's going to send you a verification code. So simply enter your following information. And after connecting your phone number, entering the OTP, you then about here, as you can see, we're going to enter information about ourselves, and then we're going to verify our identity by uploading different documents. So simply check the checkbox over here, click on submit. And the next step over here, as you can see, we're going to say no for this for now. You're going to select your citizenship over here, click on continue after that. And then over here, what will you primarily use Coinbase for? Let's say investing, and then funds, and let's say here self-employed. And you're also going to put the total value that you are expecting to transfer into Coinbase and industry over here for where you work in. So let's say cryptocurrency. And now over here, you're just simply going to verify your account through photo ID over here. So click on continue over here. And there are different ID types that are going to be required depending on what country you are. For me, it will be the passport over here. So you're just simply going to take a picture of your passport and then yourself. You're going to do a selfie to ensure that you are the person in the passport. And after that, you're just going to wait for a few minutes and you should be able to then fully verify your Coinbase account. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.